If you try to unlock your car with the key fob and it doesn't work anymore, it's time to replace the battery. First locate key release button, which is on the side of this unit, press on it and pull out the key. Get a medium-sized flathead screwdriver, insert it in the middle slot and kind of pry it open. And from here you can work with your fingers. The battery is attached to the back side of the fob and the silicone part with all the electronics to the front side, and if this happens when you open it up, just push the silicone part back in its place. And now the battery. You can use the same screwdriver or maybe a smaller one to get it out. And this is your replacement battery, typical CR2032, which is used on most remotes, and insert it positive side down with a big plus on it and just snap it in. Pick up both parts, line them up, insert the top part in first, hold it with one hand and snap the rest of it around. Reinsert the key and you're all done here. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and also hit the like button. Thanks!